Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month. The Ipsy Boxycharm box is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. Okay, you guys, so it is massively windy here. I just got home and my hair is completely wind blown. But we're just gonna roll with it. So starting us off in this month's Boxycharm box is the Boxycharm little card here. It says, main character energy, eat, glam, love. Set out an adventure this spring or romanticize your life and your routine with fresh beauty finds that give you main character energy all day, every day. And then on the back here, it's so cute. It has a little March bucket list, glow big or go home. And it says support women-owned brands, fully embrace blush blindness, take yourself on a coffee date, watch La Dolce Vita, grab the Edit NARS in the Ipsy shop on 310, and make pasta from scratch. And then also there's a little sneak peek of what you could get inside your Ipsy Boxycharm box. The first product inside this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box is the Dermalactives Eye Lifting Collagen Solution. And this is going to lift and firm, reduce lines and wrinkles, as well as provide intense hydration. Next in the Boxycharm box, we've got the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. This is water and sweat resistant and going to act as a makeup gripping primer as well. This is weightless, colorless, and perfect for all skin tones. And since it's clear, it's not going to leave a white cast on the skin. Next in the box, we've got the Drunk Elephant O-bloos Rosy Drops. This is a liquid blush. This has omega fatty acids as well as sapwood bark, and it's buildable as well. So you can do a light blush application for that flushed cheek kind of look or go a little bit more heavy. Next in the box, we've got the Laura Geller Laura's Essentials Candy Cravings 12 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, and 1 blush palette. This is such beautiful packaging, and then inside is the palette. Such a gorgeous little neutral palette with a couple little pops of color. We've got a blush and we've got the highlight. Now, I'll be totally honest with you guys. I had a rough time trying to get these shadows to show up on my eyes. I don't know what was going on. I don't know if it's maybe the Dermalactives eye lifting solution that I put down on my eyes beforehand, but this just would not go on. Knock, knock. Is anybody home? Where's the pigment? Okay. Let me try a different shade. It's on my brush. But where is it on my eye? I'm so confused. On my brush. Okay, let me try a different shade. And last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have the Verb Fullness plus Light Hold plus Weightless Texture Volume Dry Texture Spray. And this is going to provide your hair with that lived-in texture kind of look with a weightless hold. This has vitamin B5 as well as aloe vera, so not only is it going to give your hair that texturized look, but it's also going to provide some nutrients and healthiness as well. Well, that is it, you guys, for the Ipsy Boxycharm box for the month of March. Ipsy has 3 options on their site to choose from: the Glam Bag option, the Boxycharm option, as well as the Icon Box option. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.